how to change username in edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the username. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So here in your profile settings, here there's no such option as changing username directly. Here on the right hand side, you can see this Instagram button. So you must have Instagram installed in your application and you'll be able to change the username. So tap on this Instagram button. So this will direct you to your profile settings. Here you can see the option called edit profile. Tap on edit profile. From this option here, you can directly change the username here. So keep a new username here and you'll be able to save the same username for later. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.